today is all about startups, and today we're going to Garching, to the outer campus. The campus is located about 30 minutes outside of the city center, which means we're gonna use the subway. It takes about 30 minutes to get there, which is perfect because we have exactly 30 minutes left. Usually in the morning, it's very crowded, but let's go anyway. Even though it's a subway, it sometimes is above the ground, and then you can see all of the nature that is around Munich. The subway was delayed just a bit, which means I'm also delayed just a bit. This is now Garching. It's the biggest campus and the most modern campus, I think. Maybe not actually the most modern, but the biggest definitely. This is where I have to go. This is the TUM. It's basically all about startups, about entrepreneurship, about innovation. It's cool. The class that I have is about the Munich Startup Ecosystem. Today we're gonna look at different players that are in TUM, which was the starting point for many different startups like the TUM Hyperloop, ProGlove, AirUp and many more. A quick coffee break at the cafe, which is inside the building, and then we were ready to go and explore. During this class we'll get a look at different incubators, VCs, startups and the BMW Startup Garage. First we had a look at the incubators, which is almost 1000 square meters big and just helps startups from TUM to grow. And they're doing this by providing guidance and also office spaces. Then we had a look into the makerspace, which I think is so cool. It's like a workshop where you can just go and rent out machines and like laser cutters, 3D printers, water cutters, everything with metal and textiles and wood. It's a dream for everybody who wants to build something. They have huge machines, like huge machines. Even a 3D printer that is able to print something up to the size of 1 cubic meter. That's insane. Class is finished, so the next thing we're gonna do is check out the talk in the evening. It's also about startups. I'm super excited for it. Basically like Shark Tanks in Germany. And one of the investors there is gonna have a talk tonight. And by the way, if you want to have more helpful information, you can download my Studying at TUM guide for free after you've watched this video just by clicking on the link in the video description. Now it's time for one of the presentations from one of the leaders or investors of Shark Tank, but the German Shark Tank. It's actually called something like Lion's Cave. It's similar. Anyway, that's what we're gonna do now. But not at TUM. Instead, it's at the Munich University of Applied Sciences. She's giving a talk. She's like a self-made multi-millionaire. And her speech is all about empowerment.
Oh, alles, sehr gut.
All about having courage, all about trying out things.
Vielen Dank, wow. Ich lieb's jetzt schon, ehrlich gesagt, hier zu sein.
She talked a lot about her upbringing, how she struggled, but that you should never give up. The way I say it sounds so basic, but she created such a great atmosphere. Afterwards, there was time to meet other people that also enjoyed the talk and to just exchange ideas and visions. This is the remaining part of the event. I just talked to her, not for me, but a friend of mine had a question, so I asked her. Super inspiring talk. It feels like I need to do something. She has such a great impact. It's about diversity and leadership, and she's just such a strong woman. It's insane. So inspiring. Okay, with these good things in my mind, I'll have a very good sleep tonight. Very tired. I'm gonna go home. See you the next time.